FC गोवान ISLची पहिली मॅच खाली चेन्नईन FCन जैतान सुरवात केली. बुधवारा सांजे फातोड्ड्या स्टेडियमार जाल्ले ISLचे गोंयचे पयले मॅचीत चेन्नईनान FC गोवाचेर 2 गोल मारले. गोंयान दुसऱ्या हाफांत 1 मारलो. स्टेडियम जवळ 80% भरिल्लो. गोंयान सुरवात अटॅकिंग केली, मात गोल चेन्नईनान मारलो. पयल्या हाफाक गोवाचेर 2 मारले. ब्राझिलियन स्टार झिकोची स्टायल दिसली. गोवाचो खेळ अटॅकिंग पूण डिफेन्स फेल गेले. FC गोवाक कितलेशेच संदी गोलांत कन्वर्ट करप जमले ना.
Are you ready for it back home? It's game number 4 of the Hero Indian Super League 2014. Out of the dark and into the light come the players. And we will now pause for the playing of the national anthem of India. Captain. Referee Penso blows his whistle. It's a lovely, well-weighted ball. Oh! So close. Excellent play from Erlang. Set up the counter-attack from Marcelinho. Pires. Marcelinho. Pires has gone forward. Robert Pires! Thought about the shot. Wasn't room. Of course, with Manchester United, French international as well. It's not a great cross. It's not a great clearance. Into the danger area. Oh, it's into the net. We have our first Indian goal scorer. It's reward for his consistency and persistence. It's 1-0 to Chennai.
And the ball in behind, defenders are facing their own goal. There could be all sorts of things here. It's a poor header away to begin with. Is there a penalty? No. But Balwant Singh.
Ilano. Of the first 45, here's the foul.
Oh, no doubt whatsoever.
Ilano! Beautifully done! He's done it all through his career, and he's done it in the Hero Indian Super League.
I thought he'd overcooked it. I thought it would go beyond him. But it just shows you, go chase that lost cause, make something happen. Sylvester there, caught on his heels. And there he is, Gregory Arnold.
An important moment for FC Goa. Gregory has scored their first goal. Plenty of blue shots screaming forward. Here's the chance for Martins.
घरच्या ग्राउंडार उक्तावणाचे इंडियन सुपर लीग मॅचीत बुधवारा सांजे FC गोवाक चेन्नईन FCन 2-1 गोलान मारले. गोंयच्या टिमीचो खेळ बरेपैकी आनी अटॅकिंग जाल्लो, मात 2 चुको म्हारग पडल्यो म्हूण कोच झिको म्हणटा. गोंयचो अणभवी मिडफिल्डर क्लिफर्ड मिरांडा म्हणटा ते प्रमाण पंगडांतले देशी प्लेयर फॉरेन प्लेयर इतलेच धडाडीचे.
काल राती फातोड्ड्यात जाल्ले मॅची उपरांत कोच झिको आनी मिडफिल्डर क्लिफर्ड मिरांडान पत्रकार परिशदेन मॅची बद्दल मतां मांडली.
For this match?
Estou satisfeito.
I'm very satisfied.
O time no meu modo de ver jogou bem.
My point of view that
muitas
team
oportunidades.
played very well. We create many opportunities.
Teve controle do jogo.
We had the control of the game. That we had 2 mistakes. Things
Primeira,
that we talked before. The first,
os laterais saírem numa linha, sempre
outside
olhando
backs.
o último zagueiro.
Always we leave always look to the
No
defense.
primeiro gol, para
The
mim,
first
ficou
time.
lá dando condição.
The first time, Prabi stayed there, giving condition.
A gente tem treinado sempre que os dois
We
laterais
have
têm
been
que ficar na
practicing a
mesma
lot,
linha do zagueiro.
all the backsides has to be the same line than the defense.
E fazer, bater faltas no canto do goleiro.
So I used to always take my set
hoje,
piece to the goalkeeper side.
Alertei o Seda para não
And I
sair.
said to Seda, don't
Fica parado
go
no meio.
forward. Just stay in your
Ele vai
position.
batendo.
As good as I believe the work rate and the dedication, the determination is as good as the foreign players. I believe. Of course, we have a lot to learn from them. We always look forward to learn from them, from all the foreign players, anyone. But as far as the determination and and the commitment is concerned, I think we are right up there.
चेन्नईन एफसी खातीर गोल मारून हिरो ऑफ द मॅच थारिल्लो बलवंत सिंग आपल्या प्रदर्शनाचेर खोशी आसा.
ये है कि आप हार्ड वर्क कर रहे हो, तो अगर आपको चांस मिलता है तो आप अवेल कर सकते हो. मेरे लिए बहुत खुशी की बात है कि मैंने स्कोर किया और मेरी फैमिली ने मेरे को इतना सपोर्ट किया, मेरे कोचेस जिन्होंने मेरे पे ट्रस्ट किया, सो बहुत खुशी फील हुई.
प्रुडंटा खातीर सावियो डायस.
इतल्यान हे खबराचित्र हांगाच सोंपता. नमस्कार.
तुम्ही पळयतात प्रुडंट. यू आर वॉचिंग प्रुडंट.